Chris? I'm sorry, it's your last trick. Ah! Look at my fans. Alright, thanks for watching. Oh! Chris! What? You missed it. Backflip right in front of you.
Do it together.
Yeah. Get together, let's go.
Like behind me.
Do it together.
Come next to me. Don't, I won't hit you. Never mind. Come right next to me here. Right on my left.
Alright, wait.
Wait, you gotta be in the shot though. Like, come up more up.
He's afraid of being
Ready?
set on
Go
fire.
ahead. Yeah. Alright, that's it for the show. Go away.
He accepts Venmo.
No, I don't accept the money. It was fun. Thank you.
I was gonna say OnlyFans.
Alright, I'm just relaxing now.
Are you staying here until?
Alright, one last throw, see if I still have energy for it. Ah! There we go. Catch! I'm sorry, I'm just joking. That's gonna be a good video though. Yeah. Alright, Pauhana, thank you for watching. Prince, you wanna take a picture? Yeah. I have no energy, thanks. I know you have all the energy. If your mom lets you, I can swing this fire sword under your foot. I'm trained for this. Can I see your backflip one more time? Wait, you come here. Yeah. I want to see it directly. Yeah, go ahead. Go, I'm not gonna do it right now. Easy, I can totally do it. You want to try it? I want to swing it on your feet. Be confident, just do it. I will not hit you. Just do the backflip. You got this easy. There's nothing gonna happen. It's gonna look like, don't worry. Yeah.
Wait,
You
let
go
me line up. Let me line up.
Easy, look, easy, good job. Easy trick. Yeah, that's a performance, so I have to reach and jump over the fire sword.
Man, that was a good one.
Yeah, it's good, right? Easy, I told you. I've done this professionally, so don't worry. Yeah.
I know, you should. You guys should go on the road.
Well, mom doesn't have camera?
I got it.
Phone died.
Oh, I was like, I was gonna let him hold. Yeah,
I'm gonna send it to
yeah, I was gonna let him hold it because, like, dude, I'm impressed. Yeah. Sorry, we did it really quick. I was just